Looks like my car is due for a service. I better book my appointment before I forget. And done. That was easy peasy, thanks to Volkswagen Cares.
Good morning, miss. I'm Azman from Volkswagen. I'm here to pick up your car for service.
Good morning, Azman. Thank you for coming.
It's my pleasure. Would you like to sign up as a member of Volkswagen Care Plus? It's a special program, exclusive only for Volkswagen owners with cars 5 years and older. As a member, you will enjoy 3 20% service discount vouchers, a free 2-year extension on Volkswagen Roadside Assistance, and 24 hours on-site battery support.
Wow, that's very generous. I'll take it. Thank you, Azman. Here's the key. Please stay safe.
Thank you, miss. But first, I'm going to sanitize the key touchpoints of your car. This is just a part of our Safe Hands initiatives to practice safe hygiene and proper sanitization SOPs. Your safety is our priority.
Eh? What's this? It's a service cam update.
I would like to assure you that we only use 100% genuine parts, meaning all parts replacements are highly durable and fits your Volkswagen perfectly.
Let's see. Wiper blades, aircon filter, and 100% genuine, huh? Okay, sounds good to me.
Hello, miss. It's Azman here.
Oh, hello, Azman.
I just would like to inform you that your car is ready. You may pay using a credit card or online banking, whichever you find the most convenient for you.
Huh? It's done? That was fast. If that's the case, I would like to pay with my credit card.
Great! I'll bring along a credit card machine for your transaction when I'm returning your car.
Sure. Thanks, Azman.
Hello, miss. Your car is serviced and sanitized.
Oh, thanks, Azman.
Before you continue with your payment, did you know that now you can spread the cost for any maintenance and repairs for your Volkswagen over 6 months or 12 months? And the best part is, there is no interest or additional fees.
Oh, that's good. A flexible payment plan. All right then. I would like to take the 6 months plan.
Sure. Thank you. Here's your keys and VCP card. A reminder that should you face any emergencies on the road, you can always call our 24-hour roadside assistance via the Volkswagen Cares app. You can also check in for more offers, rewards, and event updates too. Thank you for choosing Volkswagen.
Volkswagen.